You know what you came here for. Sit back and tune in for Isha Talor. Yeah.
What's up, y'all? Welcome and welcome back to my channel. I'm your girl, Isha Talor. So today's video is going to be a nail video featuring Model 1 polishes, specifically the wood collection. Can y'all see how beautiful this packaging is though? Like, I personally never seen polishes like this with this type of design, and I am super impressed by it. And they have the colors on the side. So this one is House. It's like a taupey nude brown, I guess. Don't let the lights fool you. This is Flowers, which is like a mauvey pink. Yeah, my lights are super bright. This is a white, which is Edelweiss. I don't know. Edelweiss. Color, which is my favorite type of green, like sage green, is called Light. And the only glitter, which is called Rose Gold. So besides the colors, it also came with the base coat and top coat, which came in this cute little packaging. So the gold one is top coat and the silver one is base coat. I think a lot of brands do that actually. And it also came with a mini lamp. Y'all should already know because the other Model 1's video had a lamp as well. And I think this one's probably pink too. I might save this for a giveaway just because I don't need so many mini lamps. I already have one from Model 1's. So I might start stocking up a couple things that I don't use and do a little nail giveaway. Let me know if you'd be interested in a little nail giveaway from me, because I know I'm not a nail guru, but still, a little giveaway would be cute. Okay, but using the color Flowers, I'm going to apply that to the pinky. Nope, I lied. To the pointer finger and the ring finger, because that's going to be a different design I want to try to do. I'm also going to put this color halfway on the middle finger. Y'all, this color is so freaking pretty. Taking the color Light. Ooh, I love colors like this. Again, it was so weird when Model 1's reached out to me and I saw the color scheme. I was like, this is my brand colors. Like, literally my brand colors. So I'm gonna just fill in the rest of this. Kind of looks like an ice cream cone. Like pistachio ice cream. Now taking the one I can't say, the whatever, the white shade. I'm gonna put just a little bit of that on my palette. I'm just gonna put like random little lines. Now taking some, you could use acetone or alcohol. I'm just gonna use alcohol for the sake of this, and a little brush. Lightly dab at it, just to spread out the lines a little bit. I'm gonna cure that. As I'm editing, I realized that a couple clips was deleted, but I applied this milky white nail polish over the nail twice to kind of push back the design. So I'm going for like a marble type of vibe. So this is the white nail polish I was talking about. At this point, this is the second coat, but in between I reapplied the design and reapplied alcohol to push the design back. So this is what it's looking like so far. It's gonna come together, just trust the process. This next concept is super different to me, but let's see if it works. So I have a plastic, no, this is a Ziploc bag actually, and I split it in half just because if you use it, you know, the whole plastic bag is too thick. So I kind of cut it in half and I printed out a couple images. This one is actually the background of my videos. It's a canvas from Marshall's and I took a picture of it, airdropped it, and then printed it super small. I'm gonna be drawing kind of through the plastic with the gel polish, cure it, and then put it on my nail. So let's see how this let's see how this works. Hopefully you can see what I'm doing, because I need to see.
Like, never like, never like, never like, never like, never like.
Okay, I held my breath that whole time. I think it looks pretty good. Can y'all see it? Let me put my finger on it. Then you cure it. So I'm gonna cure it for 30 seconds. Make sure you cure it flat though. So you then just peel it off.
Like, never like, never like.
I think that came out really unique. Can y'all tell it's a flower? Probably not. I think what will help is if I make the stem green. Oh, wow. That's actually really cute. And because I'm extra, I think I want to put some of the rose gold color. I think I want to put that in the center of the rose. Okay, look at that. I actually really like this. I can't wait for it all to come together. So on the pinky and the thumb, we're going to put rose gold. Ooh, look at that. Oh my gosh. And it's such a very light glitter. It's very easy to glide onto. It's actually very pigmented. If I wanted to, I could keep one coat, but I'm gonna do two. So in my other video, I did the Modelones lipstick series, and in this kit, I'll leave that video up above, by the way. But in this kit, it came with, where are they? Oh, it came with stickers. I'm gonna use one of these lines to kind of cover the line of demarcation we have right here. Ooh, perfect. Ooh, that looks, oh my God. This looks so cute. Ooh, this looks so cute. Y'all. I promise y'all, I literally just came up with this on the fly. The best way to have your Swarovskis to stick is to just lightly buff the surface. I always mention this. I did this last time, and they took forever to come off, so. Nails came out so good. It kind of reminds me of like ice cream. So this side is definitely abstract. This one was so hard to kind of get on, but you can see the eyes, the nose, and the lips. So that's all that matters. And I did a different flower too. So of course you can ultimately use stamps or even stickers, but I just thought this was a lot more of a cost-effective way to get designs. And what better way than have a very unique, you can print out any image that you want and just trace it over a plastic bag, and that's so much cost-effective. So this actually came out really, really good. Okay, so these Modelones wood polishes. I love, love, love the color scheme. Love the packaging. Oh, did I even mention how much there was in it? Nope, I did not. I was so thrown off by the packaging. It has 10 ml in her colors, which is a ton of product. But I just love this packaging. I'm obsessed with it. Base coat, top coat. The top coat was also really good. It's very jelly. Let me show y'all. It's very thick, which is a good top coat. This was a very pleasant set to do. Thank you again, Modelones, for sending me these polishes. I love your color story. I love the packaging. I love the consistency. Man, These nails are so adorable. I am so happy with it. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Let me know if you like this type of content. I know it's different from my usual content. Don't forget to hit that like button. Don't forget to subscribe if you aren't already. And I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace.